Ever wondered what off-page SEO is and how it works? Off-page SEO refers to actions taken outside of your own website that impact your rankings within those coveted search engine results pages, or SERPs. It's a strategy that involves enhancing search engine and user perception of your site's popularity, relevance, trustworthiness, and authority. It's essentially your website's reputation on the internet stage. Now that we know what off-page SEO is, let's dive into how it works. So you're curious about the process of off-page SEO? Let's dive right in and delve into the mechanics of this crucial aspect of search engine optimization. We'll break down the process of off-page SEO into three main steps. First up is building backlinks. Now, backlinks are essentially references from other websites to your own. Think of it as a vote of confidence, a thumbs up from a reputable source that says, hey, this content right here, it's worth your time. These backlinks, particularly from highly regarded sites, boost your website's trustworthiness and authority in the eyes of search engines. But remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to have fewer backlinks from respected sources than a multitude from questionable ones. Next, we venture into the realm of social media marketing. In our digitally connected world, social media platforms are like bustling marketplaces where conversations happen, ideas are shared, and content goes viral. By promoting your website on these platforms, you increase its visibility and user engagement. It's about being where your audience is, engaging with them, and leading them back to your website. Just remember, authenticity is key. Engage genuinely, provide value, and the traffic will follow. Lastly, we have influencer outreach. This involves connecting with influential personalities or figures in your industry who can help amplify your content's reach. They already have the audience you want to attract, and their endorsement can drive significant traffic to your site. But it's not just about getting them to share your content. It's also about building relationships and potentially collaborating on projects that provide value to both parties. Each of these steps plays a vital role in your off-page SEO strategy. They're like the pillars holding up a building. Each one is essential, and together, they form a solid foundation. With these three steps, you're on your way to mastering off-page SEO. Before we wrap up, here are some key points to remember about off-page SEO. This strategy is all about enhancing the perception of your website across the digital landscape. You can accomplish this through building strong backlinks, harnessing the power of social media marketing, and leveraging influencer outreach. These tactics help build your site's reputation, increase its visibility, and ultimately, drive its success. Remember, successful off-page SEO is a powerful tool in improving your website's visibility and ultimately, its success. So start optimizing now.